What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another moto vlog. So I am currently on my way to Best Buy. Might be wondering, okay, so why am I filming my ride to Best Buy? Well, that brings up a good point, because if you guys are wondering, moto vlogging is hard. Picking up the camera and talking is not the hard part. The hard part is dealing with the technical side of moto vlogging, right? So we have these great cameras called GoPros, and the reliability on those GoPros is next to nothing. I have so many issues with these GoPros. That is why if you check out my channel, I might literally have 2 or 3 videos of me riding and talking on a motorcycle, because literally every time there's something wrong with either the mic, the GoPro or mic settings, or the mic adapter. I had a GoPro Hero 7 Black. The camera itself worked great, but like I said, every time I'd go to record a motovlog, something was messed up and I had to just scrap the footage. So long story short, I went to record a couple weeks ago, as you saw, when I was out giving my first initial impressions on the Flow floorboards. And as you saw, I originally had thought my vent was open, but after further research, I realized my actual GoPro, where the mic adapter plugs into, the USB-C or whatever it's called, I believe, that connection was bad and it wasn't even recognizing the mic adapter. So I've been thinking about adding another camera for a little while, because when I start traveling, and I really wanted another camera for different angles rather than you guys just seeing the road in front of me, to document the ride a little better. So I figured, well, might as well just bite the bullet and buy a new camera. I ended up just going with the Hero 8 Black, mostly just because of price, because I wasn't fully in the market for a new camera at the time. A lot of the batteries and stuff are interchangeable and stuff, so for right now it saves me the money. So I got the Hero 8 Black. That's what I'm recording on right now, but I'm on my way to Best Buy because I have to pick up a new micro SD card. The one that I was using obviously is in this camera, and the only one that I had laying around the house was a 16 gig. So if you guys know anything about tech, that ain't gonna get the job done. As you see, we are at the Best of Buy. Let's go in and let's go grab that SD card. Alright, so we secured the goods. Now let's hope we can fit it into the swing arm bag. If not, it looks like I'm going to be riding home with that in my jacket. Oh, actually, no, I forgot. I have the backpack in here if it doesn't fit. But we're going to make it fit. Yeah, no, that ain't going to happen. So I guess we got to get the backpack out. You know what? Let me just put this in there, too, right away. That way it's all in one. Right, Kyle? So, if you guys don't always have a touring bike and you want to run errands, something like this is terrific. Now, let's hope I can pull it out. It's been a long time since I had to use this. What's the dealio here? Look at that. Who says you always got to bring a backpack? As long as you got a little portable one, you're good to go. And hopefully I don't rip the straps trying to get this thing on. Now let's get rolling. So I'll be pretty excited now that I have 2 cameras that I can use at my disposal now for recording. That'll make video editing much more fun. Let's go on and take the highway now. But I guess as you grow as a channel, those are the things that you gotta kind of do to stand out from the crowd. And we ain't afraid of no challenge. The weather here lately has been crap. It's been nothing but cold, cloudy, and rain. Luckily there's no forecast for rain today, but as you can see we got pretty much like 80 to 90% cloud cover, and it's like a brisk 50 degrees. They say it's 52, but feels a lot more like 46, 47 to me. So when I had the opportunity to get on the bike for 5-10 minutes just to run to Best Buy, I took the chance, because tomorrow I think they're calling for like 84% chance of rain. Let's hope it's just late in the afternoon or something like that, but my luck is if I don't get on the bike today, I ain't getting on for at least another 3-4 days. And I'm a moto vlogger. I gotta get on the bike to record. But I know today's video wasn't really exciting, but if you're thinking about moto vlogging, just go for it. The actual talking part is pretty easy. It's just dealing with all the technology, dealing with all the GoPro quirks, but we're buckled in and we're in for the ride. So sometimes you just gotta wing it, and hey, you never know what will happen. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed a kind of different video. Finally back out on the bike, able to ride and do some cool scenery views here. But now that we got this all set, we should be doing a lot more moto vlogs here coming up. So I hope you enjoyed today's short little ride to Best Buy. And if you guys would, please leave a like and a comment. But as always, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.